Hello there. We're at it again. Another installment of our ongoing Mixology at Home series here for Alley 26. In this installment, we're going to be doing a riff on a Japanese cocktail. Now, you probably know the Japanese cocktail is in no way Japanese. It's named after a visiting delegation of Japanese folks to New York in the 1800s, if Jerry Thomas is to be believed. And we're going to take his word for it for the time being. But we have substituted the cognac with some 100 proof apple brandy here from the fine folks at Fair Game. And this is, as I said, 100 proof. We've made some pawpaw out of local fruit. Pawpaws are the fruit. And instead of just a couple of dashes of aromatic bitters, we're using the new cocoa bitters from Angostura, which are lots of fun. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll start with the pawpaw. I've got a larger bottle here. As with all our syrups, you've heard me say it before if you've watched these, tilt them over a few times just to make sure everything's fully integrated. This is a nice thick one, so we're gonna use a half an ounce of that. You can see how nice and rich that syrup is, and full of fruit. Let's get a couple of dashes of these. Those are so fun. And then, last but not least, we're going to use this Fair Game 100 proof apple brandy. Now, I really was really excited about this because it was, when they first started making apple brandy there at Fair Game, they were making an 80 proof spirit, which was tasty. But folks behind the bar really love 100 proof apple brandy. It's more comparable to the bonded we get from Laird's, and I love the flavor of this. I'm not going to speak ill of Laird's, but this is really delicious stuff, and it's great that we got it locally. And 1 ounce and 2 ounces. So a really simple, straight ahead kind of cocktail. Glass there. There you go. Not a short shake, but not the world's longest either. Now the pawpaw is really delicious, but it's not the most assertive flavor. So I don't really like to do much extra stuff to get in the way. I really want the pawpaw to kind of shine through. It's kind of hard to get, it's hard to work with. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's worth it. So I really want it to kind of really come through on the other side of this drink. So there you go. Enjoy.